is from the story. There is an interesting fact to learn English from the story. About 155 years ago, Nawab Wazid Ali Shah, the ruler of Awadh, was forced into exile by the Britishers. There is an interesting story about this incident when the Britishers attacked Awadh and captured his palace. He was sitting alone on his throne. Everyone else had run away. British's commander was surprised to see him sitting alone on his throne and complimented him. "You are very brave. You didn't run." Nawab Wazir Ali replied, "How could I run? My assistant who how could I run? My assistant who makes me wear my shoes has run away." For his easygoing and lazy habit, Nawab Wazir Ali lost his empire, had escaped from the palace, reorganized his army. He could have defeated handful of British soldiers. The moral of the story is that you should not be over dependent on others. You should have the knowledge, capability to do all the important things yourself. Lift yourself by yourself and stand on your feet. Nobody can your burden on his feet forever. One has to walk on one's feet in order to climb the ladder of success.